bucket and the assist from RJ Ramirez.
Inigo to Victoria, open three, that's good.
Up and down game we're having here. Both teams.
Ramirez, great pass to Porter on the turnaround shot.
Composed, Chris Porter.
Jexter.
Ooh, could have been a travel.
Levy. Oh, what a shot. And gives Lawrence Victoria there of ice in his veins. Bonifacio trying to answer. He does.
What a quarter by Warren Bonifacio. All of his points coming.
Bonifacio, Caballero. Great ball movement. And Lawrence Victoria knocks down the three.
One ball movement left to right. Someone was...
Nasa ilalim, labas kay Lawrence. Three-pointer on the way. Apinan and Reverente getting entangled.
These are two muscles going at it. Mahirap paghiwalayin yan.
No.
Needed 3 black shirts.
Di pa nga nila mapaghiwalay sa lakas ng muscle eh.
Kailangan pa atang tayong dalawang naka-black din para makompleto dun eh. Look at that box out.
Oo. Grabe yung alam mo yung ano eh, yung muscle na. Yung muscle na, alam mo yung ano talaga, flex
Squeeze,
talaga.
yeah, it's really squeeze. Talagang activated from the tricep, the bicep, the shoulder.
Every single muscle in the body. Right there. Gloria said Ablaza got the step. Ablaza, wala. Ochea on the putback.
These are the 3 guys that will really have a lot of offensive rebounding activity.
Gloria. Apinan drives. Apinan scores.
What a substitution. CJ Isit, fresh off the bench, making that swipe and getting this lead all the way up to 6. And on the other end, finishing on that fast break is Dexter Apinan.
Fast break of the game is brought to you by New Star. Win to the max. And we have Dexter Apinan scoring to extend the lead. Victoria finds Bonifacio. Three-pointer. Wala. Rebound Ochea. Nabitawan ng bola. Sleet has to fire. Sleet knocks it down.
Huge 3 by Patrick Sleet. All confidence, all guts.
23.
Very crucial inbound right here.
Very important. Ablaza is trapped. And that's a turnover.
That's huge.
7.5 seconds remaining. And there was not enough contact to merit the foul.
Good decision by Pasay just to pressure. No foul right away. Game, they might have learned. But let's watch this play first.
Wala. Doon ng denial doon sa unang pasa. And then,
no foul.
oo,
Good
nakahawak si
pressure.
Caballero doon sa bola eh. And somehow said, that was the turnover right there. That was already the turnover. And Baloria para sa Batangas. Here's Inigo. Gets it to Victoria. 5 seconds remaining. Lawrence makes his move. Lawrence fires. Tough shot. Oh! Oh my goodness! Lawrence Victoria. Arim to Apinan. That will do it.